Karim, me nah lie. Food that really a go on good, brother. Yeah man, me hear about it. Them boy down at my place tell me say it.
Yo, moms, where go on? Where Karim there?
Let me run to the kitchen.
Show it him for me now, please.
Karim,
Yes, Tony.
your cousin come to you.
Oh, quick?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come. Cuz boy,
Yeah, dude.
the thing good.
Yeah,
Love it.
yeah, man.
That is it.
up.
That is it. This is up in general.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, yeah, fam. Tony, me come. Go on, cuz.
Yeah, dude.
Damn general.
Come out to something. I'm on income for.
No, cuz. Me don't show you vibe that you say the man give me the money.
Brother. No man no give no man no money, brother. You sign contract with the man. Brother. Give me if you give back the money, man. I trust a brother there, you know. Free food in coming for.
Karim, look like everybody know your business, man.
Everybody know business though. And man family, what you think?
Sorry, man. Everybody and your family know your business.
Bad man, let me tell you this. I don't want my cousin owe you nothing. So me I gotta give you back the money. You hear that?
So Karim, you owe me?
No? Not like that.
No, yeah, give the man the money. You hear me? I say, me, I gotta give you back your money.
You hear me, I said to you. I use a family. But you keep the money that you might have needed for your funeral if you go and see him there.
When you ever realize someone afraid of you, this bag of tough chat where you have. You mash up my cousin face and then I come give him money like it's a spit in a face thing. Oh, I'm tell you dog, make, yo, maybe now hold up a chat in between. Matter of fact, you know, Karim, you regulate the money then. By a week you make you give me money back, you hear that? Done, chat too.
Karim, we is a family. We need to talk to your one. Food is good, man. Keep it up.